right? So good afternoon, guys. In the previous session, we discussed a program to reverse all the keys, right? Okay, right. Now let us try a new program, guys. Suppose let's take the one dictionary. Let's take the one dictionary. Okay, in the dictionary, same. There are some key value pairs. A, some 10 is there, and B, some 15 is there, and C, some 20 is there. Let's take the D, which has the some 22 or 20 something 5, right? Okay, so what I want now, wherever the even value is there, wherever even number value is there, that one I want to fetch. That keys I want display, guys. Get the keys wherever the value is even number. Display the keys wherever the value is even number, guys. Okay. So in that case, output must be. So 10 is the even number, means I want to get A. So I just take the output list format. A is coming, and next one 20 is there. That is C. What is the key? It's C, right? So that C is coming, and next one 26 is there. I want to get the E. Yes. So A, C, E. His keys are having the even number values. Okay, it's very simple, guys. So for I in D, what's first time I value? First key name will come. What is that one? A. Second time I value, second key name will come. Third time I value, third key will come. Fourth time I value, fourth key will come. And the fifth time I value, fifth key will come. Okay. Now, so D of I. So means first time I is the A. So D means dictionary, right? D of A. What is D of A value? What is A value? 10. So it is the 10, guys. It is the 10. The value will come. That 10 means that number, the value is coming, right? That value modulus 2 equal to 0. If it is true, then what I want now, that key I want display in the output. Key means what? This I, right? I is the key. Display in the output. Okay, let me print first of all. Print I, right? Print I, guys, right? The all keys coming here. I want in the list format. Or let's make the single line program comprehension. Very simple, guys, right? Let me make here this one enough. And yes, that I want display, right? We take the I output list format required. Then I'm going to print it. That's all. I'm going to print it, guys. So A, C, E keys are having the values which are even numbers. Very simple, right? So this is, I think 43, guys, right? 43. So write a program to fetch all keys which are having even number, right? They're having even value, guys. Okay, even value, right? Okay, these values, even values we want, right? Very simple program, guys, right? Okay, yes, thanks so much all of you. Bye.